this video you will see Earth wallet testnet, free testnet BTC. So first thing first, you need to add extension on your browser, that is Earth wallet. Click on this link and go to your extension browser where you will get these apps. I will show you everything put together in this video, so wait few minutes here. Like while you are joining in any airdrop, you will feel this type of overwhelming thing, that is like loading, not working website, not working wallet. Like as much as you get this thing, the more you will get reward, the more problem, the more opportunity. So here you will get on Play Store, as well as if you do desktop mode. So I do desktop mode that. So now they haven't extension yet. I will suggest you to download. If you use Apple, to go Apple Store. If you use Google, to Google Play Store. I will go Google Play Store, and here you need to do download these apps. So click on Earth wallet, and it is downloading now. And until download, we are focused on other thing. So here is download. After download and create new wallet. Every Monday you will get free Bitcoin testnet. Number 2, stake Bitcoin testnet. www.bitcoinstaking.com. Submit social network asset. So you will get an address. You need to submit your social network there. So we will overview this link second on. So go to second on until that is installed, that we did download. Okay, that is downloading, and we are overviewing. We are figuring out second on, like what is the look like of bitcoinstaking.com domain. So come into this website, you will see everything, like what kind of website is this, what should you do here, everything. I will suggest you, as you know already, that everything while you join any airdrop, agree them. So if you haven't any risk, okay. So here is you will receive EBTC for everyone BTC stacked. So first thing first, our thing is downloading. Connect wallet, Earth wallet, open in Earth wallet. Okay, that is now downloading, and until we are to this desktop mode, okay, it will be view very properly, like, okay. So free mint, what does this mean? Everything need to see. Free mint reward, just checking here until that is downloading. Okay, a reward here, Bitcoin balance, Bitcoin staking, everything. And next, move network, and here what happened, let me see. Okay, so testnet.social.network, that is the website. Here you see social network explorer, and so everything seems like easy here. Maybe if you are new in airdrop space, crypto space, it's hard to feel you, but if you use that 5, 6 or 6 month over 1 year, it's it will be easy to you. Okay, so first thing first, we will do that. This apps is new, therefore they provide you airdrop. Okay, so therefore you can face a lot of problem here, because new apps has new problem. Every apps has had problem. Like if you use Facebook, they had problem earlier time, now they are expert. in their field. So maybe where our apps is downloaded, already download and open, I will suggest you to do. And here is you are seeing that art every payment transaction has been easy now because of crypto is the a thing that your your payment can be easy. Okay, so create an account, click on there, put your name here, whatever name you want to choose, and copy this link, copy this word mnemonics seed, modify before. This is my thing, so maybe it's somewhat like risky to see you this thing. I don't want to see you. I am back here. So as you see that security purpose, I have hidden my video um, at a certain moment where I put my keyphrase. So keep your keyphrase secure, don't share with people. Okay, that you see, that is not my keyphrase that I didn't create by those keyphrase to creating account. So okay, however, you need to therefore come into here, download and create new wallet. Every Monday you will get free Bitcoin testnet and stake Bitcoin testnet, submit social network asset, this one. And if you want to receive, here is your address. So go to this link, maybe you are seeing here, and come into this link. So here you go, bitcoinstaking.com reward, everything is here is for you, just doing work properly. Okay, so connect wallet, click on there, Earth wallet. If you click on there, open in Earth wallet, and next you are connecting. Just select any network, put your fingerprint here, sign, and your account is connected with that website. Pretty much easy, nothing fancy here. That is loading. And approved season, check your tab website. If you see here, you're already connected. So yeah, so come into the website again. So yeah, that is connected pretty much. Next, please select network, finger. I'm trying to over and over again. And yeah, done. So what should I do here? Every Monday you will get, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Every Monday you will get free Bitcoin here. Okay, so pretty much easy, nothing fancy here. Okay, already connected with Nostr profile. So stack, come into here. So here we go. How do you get, what is a Bitcoin stacking? Bitcoin stacking is the process of locking Bitcoin assets in blockchain, earning reward for validation, enhancing network security, and promoting decentralized principle. Participants' contribution by becoming validates or delegate or receiving staking rewards in return. So here you go. We already connected. Register for payment, email address, get traditional Bitcoin. Okay, submit your email here, gmail.com. and they are done. Join the Discord. Join Discord, and here you will see their Discord server. So what is happened? Let us see. Just join here, and what happened later? Just see that. After that, what they wanna do by you, do that, and yeah, done pretty much, because you need to listen them if you wanna be eligible in their airdrop, in their giveaway. Okay, pretty much every airdrop is kinda giveaway. It's a work, it's a advancer than giveaway, I would say. Click on complete this section. I have everything agree and submit that button and solve a captcha. And here you OVA7KU OVA7KU. Click on there, and you have been succeed to join their join the Discord. I will already joined, guy. So after that, go to Twitter to doing follow. For doing follow, I'm here on Twitter. So pretty much easy to see, everything is like kinda, so nothing fancy here. That is loading now. And do follow, your intention is to doing follow here, and back again here, share announcement, and let's say you shared get free testnet bitcoin and stack. Go to that link, earthwallet.io, and here you will get apps link. Okay, create art of plant art, join the testnet, click on there. Everything you can see that I'm just showing you how to join. If you understand this one video, you can join in any airdrop. You need to just visit their everything. It could be, you know it could be their Twitter visit, it could be website. Just see where they give you instruction, just do that, and you will end of the day will get something from there. So click on testnet, and testnet.social.network. Here so here is testnet blockchain tokens. Here is download, source wallet on earth. Again, wallet found here. Add social network. If you wanna add with your EVM address, EVM wallet, you just click on add to MetaMask, and here you go. Confirm. Click on there, Swiss network. Successfully added network to your wallet. Okay. Blockchain token. So every Monday, here if you see that on our Telegram, every submit social network asset, and every Monday you will get free Bitcoin testnet automatically on Earth Wallet testnet. Every Monday. Today is Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Every Monday you will get this thing. Okay. So this is the airdrop today's, and see you later in the next time.